Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to add music and effects using the YouTube editor. Today, we will explore all the exciting features you'll need. First, let's navigate the YouTube Studio interface. Familiarizing yourself with this layout will make your editing experience smooth. Now, let's upload your video. Simply drag and drop your file into the YouTube editor or select the upload button. To add some flair to your videos, we'll access the audio library, where you can choose from a variety of music tracks. Simply drag your selected music track into the video timeline. This will blend seamlessly with your footage. Adjust the volume levels of your music track by using the volume slider. Make sure it complements your video without overpowering it. You can also incorporate sound effects from the editor. Experiment with different effects to enhance your storytelling. Adding transitions and special effects can elevate your video production. Choose effects that add flow to your scenes. Always preview your edits before publishing. This ensures everything flows well and meets your quality standards. Finally, save your video and prepare for publishing. Your creation with music and effects is now ready for the world.